Perlick refrigerator model HP24ZO45L troubleshooting. Perlick Signature Series 24-inch outdoor built-in counter-depth drawer refrigerator with 5 cubic featuring capacity, with door lock, automatic defrost, stainless steel interior, smooth ball bearing glides. Troubleshooting. Refrigerator does not run. No power to the unit. Check circuit protection devices. Fuses, breakers, GFI. Restore power to unit. Incorrect control settings or faulty control. Return to factory settings. Refrigerator is too warm.